Be very careful who you think cannot be born again, or who you think has sinned and God cannot forgive. God is a just judge. Can you imagine the people that the thief stole from? The people that the thief stole from, and they never had the privilege of seeing him die on the cross. Where do they think that the thief is? They never saw him on the cross. They just saw him stealing from them. And then at the end of his life, God gives him an opportunity. Where do you think the people he stole from think that that thief is? Answer. They thought that. They don't know that at the time they are waiting for the thief in hell, the man is negotiating on the cross. The cross is where we negotiate life and death. That's the point of exchange. And any man that has the liberty of coming to that cross, he has an opportunity to move to life, no matter how dead that man is.